Beneath our feet lies a world few ever see, a world of astonishing innovation, complex machinery, and relentless pursuit. Deep earth drilling is where modern energy begins. What powers our cities and fuels our industries often starts thousands of feet underground, where drilling redefines exploration. It begins with a question: where in the Earth's vast crust does oil and gas hide? Advanced 3D seismic surveys hold the answer. Powerful sound waves are sent deep underground, bouncing off hidden rock layers. By decoding these echoes, scientists map potential energy reserves with remarkable precision. But finding oil is just the start. Drilling the well is the true test of engineering. At the heart of the operation stands the rig, a marvel of automation and design. Today's rigs blend robotics and real-time data for safer, more efficient drilling. Automated pipe handling reduces risk. High-definition sensors monitor every bolt and vibration, ensuring safety and efficiency around the clock. Today's rigs don't just drill straight down. Directional drilling lets wells travel horizontally for miles, reaching reservoirs once thought inaccessible. Drill bits are guided with pinpoint accuracy, twisting and turning underground by advanced navigation systems that adapt to changing geology. Before drilling begins, every step is simulated using digital twins, exact digital replicas of drill sites and equipment. Engineers test strategies, predict issues, and optimize operations virtually, reducing surprises, lowering costs, and minimizing environmental impact. Once the well reaches its target, the challenge is to extract the fuel efficiently. Traditional pumps get what flows freely, but enhanced oil recovery takes it further. By injecting substances like CO2 or steam, EOR breaks up stubborn oil formations, boosting production from wells that might otherwise run dry. Sustainability is central to every stage. Modern sites use advanced monitoring to detect leaks, recycle water, and restore land after drilling. Modern drilling aims for maximum energy with minimum harm, setting new standards for efficiency and environmental care. Behind the technology is a global network of engineers and innovators, working to meet rising energy demand and raise the bar for efficiency and stewardship. Deep earth drilling is a symphony of science, engineering, and responsible innovation, playing out beneath our towns, fields, and oceans. Each advance in drilling technology is a promise to fuel progress, safeguard the environment, and empower the future. Next time you flick a switch or start an engine, remember the awe-inspiring journey that begins deep underground and the technology that makes it possible.